honest, guys, we're here in beautiful Marietta, Georgia. It is freezing, 25 degrees. I don't know if you guys can see, he salted the driveway for me. He was having issues, a lot of ice on the driveway this morning. We're all good to go. So I gotta get all this stuff in, man. It's freezing out here. I'm freezing my butt off. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's go, man. All right, we are in the attic. Everything's a lot easier up here. All right, a couple back there. Make sure I get down there. 2, 3, 4. Couple back here. All right. All right, let's go ahead and get started. Let's knock this out. All right. We just finished up. And that was a doozy. It is freezing out here. Customer is extremely happy. Everything went smoothly. I had to do it from the bottom to the top. I usually do it from the top to the bottom, but it doesn't matter to me. We got it done. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Let me show you guys the filters, the 3 filters we just did right now. So we just cleaned out. Yes, sir. All right, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, you don't want this guy, you don't want that guy, you want the honest guys. All right, stay tuned. See y'all in the next one.